it's your girl Coco Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Coco. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the MAC Metamorphosis Collection, you guys. Your girl had picked up two products. I had picked up the face palette, and I had picked up one of the lip balms. So I'm going to show you guys how I had completed this cute, simple look. So if you guys want to see how it turned out, then just keep on watching. So I picked up a few goodies from the MAC Metamorphosis Collection, you guys. This is a new collection for spring 2026. And I am also excited because your girl is a Club MAC affiliate. So that means that I am an ambassador for MAC Cosmetics. So your girl is on the MAC team and your girl is an official member. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys a demonstration of these products right here. It's kind of like an unboxing video. This is my first time trying these out. I have not opened them up from the packaging or anything yet. So it'll be our first time checking out the items together. So first, we're going to look at the Metamorphosis Face and Eye Palette. This palette is supposed to be kind of like an all-in-one palette. It has this beautiful, like, rainbow iridescent packaging. It has like a flower, it looks like a lily, and it has like a butterfly. It is so pretty. So, and I feel like this will be great for travel. Ooh, really nice. Really nice. So a lot of these shades, oh, this one kind of is like a duochrome kind of. And ooh, oh my goodness, look what I did. It's so buttery. That is so pretty. It's like a garnet kind of red. It's really creamy. So you want to just gently just swipe these. This is like a purple iridescent. This is like a nice plum color. They're so creamy and buttery. It's like butter. It's really like butter. I hate that I messed mine up. Maybe I can like smooth it like over. I don't know. I didn't really mess it up. It's still pretty. This one probably could be like a bronzer, maybe even like a highlight for deeper skin tones. This one could be probably be like a lid color on me, or it could be a highlight. I probably would get away with a highlight with like this pink color like right here. But I am so excited to use this. Okay, so we got the base down. I did some concealer, set my face. So now I had looked into my collection and I found my my MAC Soft Ochre Prolonged Wear Paint Pot. Oops. And this used to have the girlies in a chokehold, maybe like 2016, 2017, 2018. I felt like this kind of had the girlies in a chokehold. And I only really use it as like an eyeshadow base, and it is pretty good for that purpose. I'm about to add a little bit of this to my lids here. And it just simply, I don't know if it's supposed to be like an eyeshadow primer, but that's how the YouTubers that I used to watch back in the day, that's how they used it. Now let's get back into the Metamorphosis Face and Eye Palette. So I think I really want to use the one that I messed up as a blush. I usually don't do blush this early. I don't know. Let's just go ahead and play around with the eyes, you guys. The finish to most of the, pretty much all of them, are like a satin, kind of shimmery, smooth finish. And I saw a really cute eyeshadow look on the MAC Instagram page. So I can kind of remember it in like my head, but I'm kind of gonna like freestyle it for the most part. But I kind of remember like what shades they use. And I wish I would have grabbed maybe like a smaller blending brush. So I'm going to start off with this color right here, and they do give the shades names. I did not know that. So this shade is called Daffodillionaire. That's so cute. So it is kind of like a vintage gold color. And I'm just going to tap this color in like my transition area. It's really cute. So this will be our first shade that we're working with today. Now, I'm gonna just kind of go down. I don't know. So the next color is called Hot Honey. And it's like this rich, kind of like a brass kind of color. I don't want to call it burnt orange. It's kind of like a brass copper. I think that's the word. I think that it's like a coppery color. And let's put this a little bit under that daffodillionaire color. I'm gonna focus in this maybe like 2/3 over my eye. I'm not gonna bring it like all the way in. So I'm trying to like do that look that they did a little bit. So now I am gonna jump around a little bit. Now I think I'm gonna use the very last color. They're calling it Cherry Sangria. The kind of plum color. And let's bring this a little bit lower in the crease. And I'm gonna bring this all the way to the front of like my eye. Almost to like the bridge of like my nose. And it's really pretty. It's really easy to blend, high quality. I'm kind of doing kind of like a cut crease kind of look without cutting the crease. And I'm not like, let's see, do I want to build the colors up a little bit more? It looks good though. I think that the soft ochre paint pot helps. So I'm just going back in with the hot honey color and blending out the edge of the Cherry Sangria a little bit. I don't know why I'm holding it like this. Okay. Well, now I'm gonna go in with the real pretty Daft Pink color. That's what they're calling it. And I'm gonna put this on the lid. Yes. Very pretty. And like I said earlier, this is for their spring collection. So this will be really, really pretty in the spring when you're rocking your cute spring dresses, when you're going to brunch. This would be a nice palette to complement like your look. And I guess on the outer part, I don't know if they did that in a tutorial, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. It's called Lavender Lemonade. Oh, I love the name. Lavender Lemonade, y'all. I'm just gonna wipe off this shader brush, or you can flip it over. And I'm gonna use Lavender Lemonade on the other end of my lid. So I went ahead and changed my shirt really quick because we are almost done. But I'm loving the look. Feels like it matches this shirt like perfectly. Like it is freezing outside, but I look like I am so ready for spring. My birthday is in spring. Taurus gang, where y'all at? Put a bull down in the comments if you're a part of the Taurus gang. But I am a May baby. And spring, I can't help but to think about like my birthday and the weather changing and flowers and stuff like that. So now, like I was saying earlier, I want to use this this color. Looks like it's called, let's see, I think they're calling it Calypso Coral. I think that's right. I think they're calling this color Calypso Coral. So let's see how it is as a cheeky. It's cute. It's got a nice little sparkle to it. Really, really cute. And I said maybe I'll use the Daft Pink. Maybe I'll use that color as a highlight. Oh man, I might have been using my highlight brush as a blending brush. But anyway, let's go ahead and add a little bit of the Daft Pink. It's really cute to layer over the Calypso Coral. Really, really cute. It's a highlighter. And I'm like, I don't know, should I? I guess I can try the hot honey over my bronzer. Just a dab. I think it's really cute. It's really, really cute. And the last product that we have is the MAC Glow Play Tender Talk Lip Balm. And I got it in the color Smile. So let's go ahead and try it out. I haven't tried a lip balm. Now they're looking like a joint or something when you bring it out of the packaging. I don't know if I tried a not from like a high-end brand. I don't know if I tried a high-end lip balm before. So has said signature MAC lavender scent, and it's a nice like neutral pink color, almost like a rosy pink, and it's got like a light coverage, like a nice, it kind of reminds me of like lip smackers, but like a grown up, you know, luxury version, if you will, of lip smackers. That's what it definitely reminds me of. I might be dating myself with that, but let's go ahead and put it directly on the lips. I don't think I'm gonna do like any liner. I did bring some with me, but yeah, you guys, it is really so it's like more color than like my lip, than like my natural lip. But it is really cute though. It's a pretty pouty color. Really natural, everyday pouty lip color. I really like it. It's really moisturizing. Feels really smooth. Got you know, that nice flavor. If you're into like, you know, your lip products tasting well. It's really cute. It's really natural looking. I don't think I'm gonna like liner or anything. This would be really good for like a no makeup like kind of look, like a no makeup look. You could do like a skin tint or like a tinted facial moisturizer. Use this, and then, you know, it'll be like really cute and natural looking, especially in the summertime. But I really like it. I really like it. But these are the two items that I had picked up from the MAC Metamorphosis Collection, you guys. I believe that they have the lip balm in 2 other shades, and this is the only palette in the collection. And I also believe that they have some liners, some glosses, and some lipsticks, and I mean like lip liners. Some of the lip liners are like regular like MAC shades, that so they aren't like limited edition. So I think that Spice, I could be wrong, I think Spice is one of them, and I already have Spice. But I do believe that this particular collection is limited edition, so if you do like it, you might want to hurry and pick it up. They probably aren't going to reproduce it, but as you guys can see, I really like it. I really like the lip balm. I really like this. This is different for me. You know, I'm kind of like a lip gloss, lipstick kind of girl. So to have like a grown up big girl lip balm, I'm kind of feeling this product. I really like this product. I love the palette as well. It's really beautiful. You know, the products blended very well. I thought that the pigmentation was pretty good. Maybe not like the greatest, but I thought that the pigmentation was pretty solid. I think that it's pretty user friendly as well. It looks beautiful. It will look pretty on your vanity, and it will be great if you're traveling with it or if you want to keep it in your purse. But all in all, I think that they are 2 solid products. So let me know what you guys think about today's look. I will link everything down below. As mentioned earlier, your girl is a MAC affiliate. So if you guys do purchase anything from the links down below, your girl may get a small commission for giving you guys this great content. And I appreciate everybody who made it to the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, put a blue butterfly in the comments. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, y'all, take care.